Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing Moana. Come join us for this easy step-by-step tutorial. Alright everyone, let's get started with drawing Moana. We're going to start with the pencil first, just because there's going to be a few things we're going to erase. First thing we could do is draw her head. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a curve like a rainbow for the start of the top of her head. So there we have the top of her head, and then for the sides of her head, we could just come down with a curved line that goes in, and we'll do it to both sides. Awesome. And then all we're gonna do is do a curved line to connect the two sides. So there we have the outline of her head, and then we can continue, and what we're gonna do are the details of her face. So right in the middle of her head, what we could do is we could draw, towards the bottom, we could draw a curve like a rainbow. This is gonna be her nose, which is super simple. And then we'll come down, and then we'll draw a big curve like a smiley face, because Moana's super happy. And then what we're gonna do is we're also going to draw a bigger curve to outline this, just because her mouth's gonna be open. The details of her mouth is we're just gonna draw a tongue. So right in the middle of the bottom, we're gonna draw a curve like a rainbow. And there's her tongue. Super simple. We could continue and we could do her eyes. So for her eyes, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw one big oval to the right. So from the right of her nose, we're gonna draw one big oval, leaving space on the sides. And then the details inside of her eyes is we're gonna copy that same design. We're just gonna make it on the inside, and we're just gonna make it a little skinnier. So it's gonna touch the sides of her eyes. Just like that. And then the detail inside is we're gonna do a circle that touches the top to the right. There we have the details of her eyes. And then from here we could do her eyelashes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the same curve of the top of her eye. And then we're gonna go up to a point. We're gonna come back down, and then we're gonna make a curve that goes up again, and then we'll do that same design one more time. And at this last one, we'll just copy the curve and reach it towards the bottom of the eye. There we go, there we have one eye, looks super adorable. And then we could copy that same design on the left side. Also, when I draw circles or ovals, sometimes I turn the paper because I feel like it just makes it a little easier. So we copied the same thing. We did one big oval, one more inside, and a circle at the top for her eye. And then we did points and curves for her eyelashes. So we could continue and we could do her body. And what we're gonna do is towards the bottom of her head, we're just gonna make a curved line that goes down towards the paper. This is her shoulders, and then we'll copy the same design on the left side. And then we could copy the same design just lower. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave some space here, and I'm gonna start with the horizontal line right in the middle. And then from this horizontal line, we're gonna make those curved lines that go down. At the curves, I curved in just a little bit and I continued down. So from here, what we did was we did her shoulders, her arms, and the top of her shirt. We could continue with her shirt, and what we could do is right in the middle of her shirt, we're gonna come down and we're gonna make a curve like a smiley face. This is the bottom fringe of her shirt, and we'll continue this. So I'll loop up, come back down, make a U, make a little mountain, and then reach and touch the side of the vertical lines. And we'll copy that same design on the left side. And there we have the top of her shirt. from here we could continue and we could finish her arms. So since we drew this curved line that came down, what we could do is we could loop in and up towards her shirt. So there we have her arms. And then from here we could continue with the rest of her body. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue with this vertical line going down, leaving some space at the bottom. We'll copy that same design on the right side. And then what we could do is we're gonna leave some space in between for her stomach, and we could just draw a curve that connects from the right side to the left side. So now we have her stomach, the top of her skirt, and then for the bottom of the skirt, we can make little fringes. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do a whole bunch of little zigzag lines to go from the left all the way to the right. These zigzag lines look like little triangles, and then from here we could continue and we could do her legs. So what we're gonna do is right in the middle, we're gonna come over and we're gonna make a vertical line, almost touching the bottom of the paper, and then we'll leave some space in the middle and we'll do one more. So we have our right leg, and then we'll copy that same design on the left side. So there we have Moana's legs. So we have her whole body. Now really all we have left are her hair and the details of her outfit. So let's do her hair, and what we could do is the first thing we're gonna start with is a flower on the left side of her head, and right outside of her head we're gonna draw a small circle, and then from the circle we'll draw the petals of the flower. So what we could do is right above the circle and right outside of the circles, I'm gonna make 2 points. These are right outside from the circles, and then I'm gonna make a curved line that goes up and then a curved line that goes back down to the other side of the other point. Kind of looks like a teardrop. And then we could copy that same design going around the flower. We're gonna make 3 more petals, so it's gonna be 4 in total. And like we did, from the outside of the circle, we made a dot, and we'll do the same thing on this side, and then we'll draw the petal. So there we have a flower on the side of her head, and then we could continue with her hair. So from here, her part of her hair, or the middle section of her hair, is gonna start where the flower is. So what we could do is we can make one big curve like a rainbow towards the other side of her head. And we'll stop right there. We could do her ears because her ears are gonna be near her hair. So right on the side of her head, we can make a curve that looks like half of a heart. And the detail inside is something that looks like a hook. And we'll copy that same design on the left side. And then we could continue with her hair. So from here, the side of her head, I'm gonna make curves that go all the way down towards her skirt. And then we could do one more curve from this flower that reaches the top of her head. And that's it. That's pretty much it for her hair. What we're gonna do is we're gonna continue with curves all the way down. So I'm gonna do one more on this side. Moana has wavy hair, so that's what we're doing with the curves. And we'll copy the same design on the left side. One more part of her hair is it's going to be a piece that's on her forehead. So what we could do is from this section of the flower, we can make curves that go and connect to the other side of her hair. So now that we're done with her hair, we can continue with her outfit, and we're going to do her necklace. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 lines that look like the letter V. And then from the letter V, we're going to make an oval. This is her magical necklace, so we have to include her necklace. And we could continue with the details of her outfit. And for her outfit, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a curve, just like the top of her skirt. Only thing is, as we go to the left, it's just gonna become a little bit more skinny. And the tie for this detail of her skirt is we're gonna come from this point, we're gonna come down and make a triangle. And then we're gonna do one more that goes out. On the right side, we'll do 2 triangles. And then from this tie or this detail of her skirt, we're gonna make curved lines that go from the top to the left side. There we have her skirt, and the details for her top. We have horizontal lines, triangles, and like a few squares. So what we could do is from the bottom of her necklace, we're gonna draw 1 horizontal line. Leaving some space in the middle, we'll draw another one. Then from here, we're gonna make zigzags or triangles, right? So what we're gonna do is we could draw 1 more horizontal line. And inside of this is where we'll draw our zigzag. So we'll go up towards the right and then come down towards the right. And then we'll continue that throughout the top. Under this one, we'll draw 1 more horizontal line. And then we'll draw some squares. So here we're gonna draw 1 square. And then in the middle of the square, we'll just draw a smaller one. And then we'll continue that throughout the top. So all we have to erase now is the part of her head. So from here, we'll just erase her head because it's gonna be just her hair. And that's all we have to erase. Now we could highlight her with this marker, but there we have it, guys. There we have Moana. She's ready to restore the heart of Tafiti. What we could do now is outline her in marker just so she pops out more, and then we could color her in. So stay tuned for the final look.
Good.
All right, everyone, so here we have Moana. I think she looks super adorable. So for her flower, I copied the same design of the leaves on the inside with a darker color and then a lighter one on the inside, just so it pops out more. You could see the little stripes in her hair and the details in her outfit. So hopefully you guys found this drawing easy. Hopefully you guys found it fun. Please stay tuned for more Moana characters or even any Disney character. So we'll see you guys.